Yo, what's up, Super MSD, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Yes, it's been a little while since I posted. I only posted one video last week, and that was not my fault. I was supposed to post another video this past Sunday, and the participant that was supposed to be in the video didn't pitch up, and he knows who he is, and he's the one to be blamed. And so most likely that video will come out on Friday or Saturday. But anyways, it is the month of Ramadan also, so I have slowed down my content. I am more focused on my spiritual journey than on my content journey at the moment, and that's how it should be. And yeah, I hope everybody's having a lovely Ramadan. I certainly am having a lovely Ramadan. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying every blessings of this month. And yeah, speaking about Ramadan, considering For You pages, sorry. And on for the FYPs, TikTok and Instagram Reels, for some reason when it's Ramadan, it starts off with just food. Every TikTok or Reel, mostly at the start of Ramadan. And I don't understand why it's like this, man. It doesn't really affect me, but still the stuff is good and it really make me lust for whatever that is. And yeah, I had this friend not too long ago. I was chilling with him and we were waiting on my other friend to get his soup. Now we were chilling and he had data and he was watching Instagram Reels. And that man's Reels is just food. I mean, mine is like liquor balanced out. His is just food and liquor food. Yeah, I'm just happy I'm not with him in Ramadan, because I would get so hungry because every Reels food and it's such amazing food. Yeah, so enough about speaking about food. Today we are reacting to the most craziest animal moments. So I love animals. I love all sorts of type of animals. But if you're telling me if I'm stranded in the ocean and I'm coming against a shark, I'm a dead man. I do not want to be the man that's stranded in the wild or anything come near to animals. But I love animals, but if I come near to it, especially if it's like a snake, I do not like snakes. And if it's whatever predator that is out there in the wild, if it came face to face, then yeah, we done those. Any predator, we done those. I'm running for my life. But yeah, so without further ado, please leave a like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on, and let's react to this video. My hair is a bit uneven, please bear with me. It's my cousin. Today for some reason he started pulling my hair. He's my baby cousin. Yeah, I don't know why I decided to pull my hair today, but yeah, so it's like, it was perfectly nice, my hair, and now all of a sudden it's like uneven and everything because man pulled my hair. But anyways, what the hell was that? Is that a crocodile? I swear, if this video is just about dogs and cats, I'm done. Oh, it's a bee. What the hell? Who got attacked by a bee? Oh hell no! Yo! Okay, the mama bee is protecting its cub. Oh! Oh shit! Nah, that deer, whatever, went straight for the kilojoules. Nah, bro's gonna be lying down there for PG. Oh, the window was open. Deep right. Oh, you mom. Nah. Is that an eagle?
This. Oh my god. Get the snake, Get it. Yeah!
Damn, she got blocked. Oh, so you maul. Nah, I hate that. That's a lot of monkeys. Yeah, it's actually a lot of monkeys. Oh. Yo, sea snake. Yo, the thing almost bit him. Are you mad? Whoa! What? What? Nah, wait. Let's play this 10 seconds. Wait, can I rewind? Yeah. First this B. No, first this B. Are you mal? Running for my life, exactly. That deer jump freak 4! Are you insane? Look at the mini jump. It's insane. Oh, rabies. That's a moose. Those things are massive. Yeah. Mooses are You know what else is massive? Okay, this was the most viral video about the kangaroo trying to pet his dog. And this man is fighting a kangaroo.
Hachi, I'm feeling so tough now, how you doing? Where were you to save him? And you?
Yeah, I ain't coming near snakes ever again. What's this called? Looks like a type of wildebeest type vibe. Is that sharks? I hate the ocean. I hate the ocean. Here's why. The ocean, NASA, they didn't start discovering space first. They discovered the ocean first, right? And to be in mind, NASA only discovered 5% of the ocean. 5% of the ocean. And I want to know why they stopped and decided to go to space. So I hate the ocean. Simply hate the ocean. Damn, this chicken is a thug. Yo, it's huge. It just is. That thing's in a bounce, bro. You better step off, bro. You better back off, bro. What is that? Is it an eagle? It's an eagle. But she doesn't even know. That's a bee. 100% a bee. Knowledge, man. You're a beast, man. Fat! 3 days later. Yo, how long has this been in that cabin? Moose.
If anyone was wondering.
Is that big gonna fit in that garage door? Your bears are honestly one of the most strangest animals I've seen.
Oh, there you
It's a crocodile, look like a lizard. I'm not gonna get a fight. It's a rain. No, that's kind of awkward. What the hell was that? Was that a shark? What? A rhino in the street. That's actually very cool. Oh, is it a monkey? Yo, that monkey put that lady. What is that? What the hell is that? What's that, rat? Yeah, rat is...
Oh, he did come at you!
Oh, skunk. The lady's cooked. What type of bird is that? Is it an eagle? What type of bird is that? Is that some type of eagle? Some type of variant of an eagle?
Don't you want my wallet? I know you want it. Okay, I know you want it, but buddy, you put a hole in it.
Yeah, you're getting butt, bro. Mordecai and Reed.
Hey.
Bro, just chipped the whole thing. Alright. Two. This is my cousin when he saw a mouse.
Hello.
Mom. Yeah.
One of those kill it with fire moments. We'll just close him back up.
Kill it with fire moments. Oh, a Komodo dragon in the freaking kitchenette, whatever this is. Oh, laundry room. Well then.
Whoa! Oh, my.
Definitely made fun of the bird. And he understood him. How? Seriously, bears are such a strange animal. How the heck did he get up there? Or climbed a tree, probably. Crocodiles? Otters? And that's a Komodo dragon. Yeah, I ain't going to be by Australia ever. Or New Zealand. Wow. That's actually really cool. Orangutan. But yeah, I would go to Australia and New Zealand, but I would not stay long.
Feel it?
Really? You don't see a spider?
Oh, it's under your collar. No. Like right there, right
No.
there. Ah! Yes. Ah! Oh my god.
Remember that? Don't ever come this lane. Go somewhere else. Please, okay? Remember that? Okay. Goodbye. Oh, chết mẹ ơi, vô lại ơi.
Oh, the thing just pissed on him. Oh. Oh. It's a dude. What is that? Some type of deer with no horns? Yo, that shark is so close to the shore.
Ay, Dios mío. Salgan, salgan.
Miguel! Miguel! Snakes? Hell no! I hate snakes. Brave woman. But I hate snakes. What's gonna happen here? Just a moose chilling in the snow eating trees. It's a Christmas miracle. What does he have in his hand? Oh, it's probably beer, that's why they're loading it up. Oh, is that monkey drinking beer? Yeah, that's crazy. What's in here? What's this? Oh, what are they called? They're the ones that go Ellie go. What are they called? Or is it the anteater? What are they called? What the hell's this? Oh, a spider's there too. What's gonna happen now? What the hell is that?
Right at us, so
Oh, that's an orca. Okay, those things that really attack humans. Wow. MashaAllah. Beautiful creature. This person doesn't know there's a baby on him. They both got scared of each other. Duck, duck. Oh, it's a snake. Oh no, it's a fish. Wait, what the hell is that? Oh, it's a fish, yeah. Porcupine. Ah, lucky dog. Stiff Australia. Oh no. That is not. Like, tryphobia people, I'm sorry, bro. Oh, the camel is eating. I was just cooking crabs. Ow!
Oh, he's going through the whole entire thing. He's going through. Oh! Oh!
What the hell was that? Oh, a squid.
Bro, let me go.
If I open the door and I see that, I'm out. I walk in, I turn around immediately and just be like, I'll hold it in. What's this elephant gonna do?
Okay.
Oh, sherbet!
Oh my gosh.
What type of bull is that?
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Yo, those horns are huge.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That thing was protecting me. Ah. What is that? Is that just a rat?
Here we go.
This is a guy fishing.
You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in
Oh.
the corner of the jaw.
Oh no, they're shut in there? No! Oh, honey. That's not a toy!
Oh, yep, no, he'll take it. Get him! Get the paddle!
Rigby, bro. What's gonna happen? What is that? Oh, it's a beaver. It's a beaver. Malman, the giraffe. Yo.
Não, Ken, vai. Olha o jeito que ele tá, filho. Olha lá, mano. Ó.
It stinks. Get it off of me. No. Skylar! Skylar can't breathe.
You know those camels are hungry.
Big catfish.
Oh no. It's,
My biggest catfish.
Where?
It's gotta be.
mouth, the bottom's a little bit tough.
Yeah. We'll be eating good tonight.
Let's see, yep, that's a big catfish.
Not a catfish.
Holy. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Oh. Mustn't do that, man. Mustn't do that to animals. Things gonna pounce.
This is James from the Tulsa Swarm Hotline at Shadow Mountain Honey Company. We're at Walgreens at 51st and Lewis.
How does this happen?
Another car. Check that out.
What is that? Is it alpaca or llama? What is it? Oh, damn.
On. He's on. Oh, he's gonna go off. Oh, he's going on. Oh,
It's just a chicken, man.
Funny though.
Ya salió, cuidado.
Oh, shit, yo.
Please, dang it.
Better not touch my back. You gonna eat the bowl?
Oh, hell no. Yo, that bird just saved him. That octopus is enjoying the deep right there, man. The deep right there. Yo, that octopus is attached to a person. Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Why didn't you slow down? What the hell is this? It's ants. Curated like a chain. Oeh, jullie die jakkie ding de grillen. What the hell? Oh no ways. Oh, I thought that bird was gonna attack him. Oh, that's a snapping turtle, woman. What is wrong with you? That seal just wanna have fun.
He's too tired. This is your fault. I blame Tyler.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh, grillen. Woo. There's a snake in the motorbike. A python. No way.
Where's his head at? I don't know. I can't see his head.
No way.
Tem que filmar ele andando com a faca.
Whoa. The cab's switching up here.
Aí é o caranguejo do sítio de Niri, ó. Repare seu filho da pele, mano.
Everybody stay calm. Stay calm.
Tá ameaçando todo mundo.
But they have to be the same size. Never. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. That means I'm dominant. I'm better. I'm better than you, and I'm dominant, and you better not come near me. That's a challenge. Oh my gosh, that is scary.
He attacked the woman. What the hell? Is it still alive? Oh, she's getting yeeted. It's actually funny. That was a very interesting video. I enjoyed that video very much. I think it was very crazy. Many of the moments caught on camera, like the bull running to people, the cows that's running into people, the crocodiles that the people's catching, the almost attacks the lucky people. Like people is so lucky. It's no luck in but people are very fortunate for not having very bad outcomes of those incidents. But yeah, the spiders, if that spider had to come into my car, that bird saved those people, but it had to be mean, bro. If I saw that spider on my car, I'm taking off my stuffy and hoping for the best. And if I don't get it first time, I'm gone. The thing is, there's one insect that I do not like at all. I hate it. If I come into contact with that insect, you know it's about to go down, and that is a cockroach. 1v1 a cockroach is honestly one of the scariest things ever. You don't have the next move. Recently, last year, at the end of the year last year, my brother, he went for surgery for his knee, right? And then he was seeing his friend off. Then he heard a loud noise laying on the car. And he's thinking, what the hell was that? It was a freaking cockroach that's flying. Now bear in mind, I've never ever encountered a flying cockroach, but I know they can fly. You know? So this cockroach, now he decided to go put something in the bin and then walk. And as he's walking back, a cockroach decides to fly at him, bro. Like, it's coming dead at him, so like that. He's just like, he did this, he told me, he's like, backhand that freaking cockroach. And yeah, it was me in that situation, bro. Then he called me and he told me it's a flying cockroach, and I was like, oh, there's a cockroach in the kitchen. And I was like, okay, I can handle it. And he said flying cockroach. I'm like, I'm sorry, you can handle it. I am very sorry. Flying cockroaches ain't my deal, man, because I hate just cockroaches in general. But yeah, hopefully please leave a like and subscribe and turn in the notification bell on. And yes, a new video will come out this week, just very shortly. So yeah, please stay tuned. So turn in the notification bell on. And yeah, until next time, peace.